Our School of Architecture and Design is the first international school in design in Thailand, and our focus is on creativity. Yeah, one of the culture in the school is that we would not treat our students only as students. We treat them equally like colleagues. So this is why, even our lecturers can learn from the students, as well as the students will learn from the lecturers. We are more like a family than a school. So that's very important culture in the school, and that's why, students can discuss openly with the lecturer. Right now, our main learning space is at Mongkut campus. But we have also classes at the main campus, which is located in Prachautitt. Also, we have the venue in the city we call KX, just right nearby Vong Vien Yai BTS station. A lot of times we are working right now with private sector, so they would provide a brief for some of the projects, so the student would have a chance to work not only with students or lecturers, but also have a chance to work with private sectors and understand the market needs better than just working with lecturers. If you realize that your interest is around creativity, please come and join our creative community here at SoA+D. We are very willing to welcome everybody as part of our family. Thank you.